After those users accept their invitations, you can review and issue additional cards from the Manage Spend tab on the left panel. Here, you can see all funds and cards, issue new ones to yourself or others, and adjust existing cards. To issue a new card, click Request on the top right, and then click Issue. Choose whether you are creating a general expense fund, a virtual card, a product or service card, or a physical card. To issue a physical card to an existing user, click on Physical Card. Here, you will select who you are issuing it to. Next, you're going to decide how the card will be shipped. Either ask the user to provide their own mailing address or specify a mailing address yourself, such as the office address. Next, you'll choose the fund such as general expenses, confirm your amount, policies, and any advanced options. Then you'll review the confirmation summary, verify the address, and then click Confirm and Issue Card. Once the card has been issued, it'll show in your Request tab as well as your Cards tab here, and it'll say Requested. To issue a virtual card, you're going to click Issue on the top right, and then you're going to select Virtual Card. Select the user here if not yourself and fill out the card details. What is it for is the card nickname, amount is the limit, and then you'll click Issue, which will make the virtual card available immediately to use. Now let's walk through how to edit an existing card. You can edit any existing card in the Cards or Funds tab. Simply click into the card you want to edit, click on Actions on the top right corner, and then click Edit. Here you could change the owner of the card, the name of the card, the limit, and even provide a one-time limit increase. You could also change any policy and advanced options here below. Please note that any changes made will go into effect immediately. You are now ready to issue additional cards throughout your company.